this is a preview for McDonald's fingerboards. And show you the difference between this and this. So this is a Tech Deck, and this is McDonald's. This is the fingerboard. So it's actually not that bad. Like if you're like a small kid and if you're a small kid and you like just like flicking things up like that, it's fun. It flicks around. The Tech Deck doesn't have that much flick, and like if you're like so if you're like Tech Decks and you like, for example, flicking it around, okay, you'll like the McDonald's fingerboard because it actually has good flick. See, and I find that it keeps it mostly stays on its side. But like I think it's like meant for like, well, if you do like stunts, like tricks on Tech Deck, like freestyling, then you might end up doing tricks like ending up like that, sometimes like that. That's just what I think. So yeah. Anyways, it has a good pop. You can like pop it high. Tech Deck, it's kind of hard to flick it high. It's kind of hard to like flick the board also. If you can't really flick the board, for example, this top part is bad, just remove it like right there at the edge and peel it off. Then you can get like about, say, Tech Deck grip, like a little skateboard grip there. Then cut it out the same area as first measure it and then just cut it out. Then later come back from skate shop and then just stick it on. Might be a little thick, but it's gonna be good. So you can even do impossibles. It's really good once you put the grip tape on. Like next week, I'm getting next skateboard grip tape for Tech Deck and this fingerboard. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. It's a very good toy.